Tips and tricks for generating great leads. Following up on leads is much easier than generating leads. Customer retention is much easier than generating leads. If not, then every business would be able to find new customers among their competition. Use the following advice to help you better generate leads so that you can have a solid foundation to grow your business. Build your presence on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the most business-friendly social media channel out there. People use LinkedIn to network and even broker new deals. It's the perfect place to create lead generation opportunities for you and your company. Invest in a premium membership as it will allow you to see everyone who has viewed your profile. Try direct mail as a lead generation tactic. Many people think that direct mail has gone the way of the dinosaur, but it's not true. In fact, it may be very powerful for your market as a lot of competitors shy away from it as a strategy. You may find a lot of business opportunity here. Keep the consumer buying cycle in mind as you attempt to generate more leads, because it can have a big impact on your results. Consumers frequently research items before making a final decision. Target your offers to this cycle and you will be successful. Incentives can successfully bring in leads since people may act on them alone. For instance, offering an incentive they already need can get their attention. The more incentives you can provide, the more likely your new customer will make the purchase. Don't forget about having a follow-up plan. Once you have generated some leads, it is important to remember that you need to turn those leads into paying clients or customers. Have a plan in place so that you can begin that work as soon as you get some quality leads. Set time every week to follow up with potential leads. It usually takes more than one touch point to turn a potential qualified lead into a real hot lead. So after you've made first contact, set time a week or two later to touch base again. It's about frequency here to make this person into a customer. Leads are definitely part of the foundation of your business. You must continuously be seeking new leads by pursuing different strategies. The advice provided should help you get started, and you're going to have to make sure you maintain your focus. If you do these things, the leads will come. Student loan.